Here you go, kitty. Your favorite milk. Nesquik chocolate milk. Oh boy, Nesquik!
Wow, when I drink Nesquik, it sure does take me to my happy place. A river full of Nesquik. Yay! Yeah, look at the chocolate mountains and the chocolate river. I just like to jump in. It's like a cat's dream.
Wow, I think I just saw a chocolate fish.
Sure like to catch one too. Ooh, it looks like we're going to caves. Uh-oh. Wow, okay, full of chocolate. Wow, it's getting really... Whoa, I think it's here down. Wait, it looks like a... Whoa! Cat overboard. Hey, what happened? Whoa, what happened to my fur? Hey, maybe I did fall in a river full of Nesquik. I'm gonna lie down. Maybe dream more about Nesquik chocolate milk. Yeah, delicious.